the cozy little town of Seaforth Lane lived a girl named Zari, queen of cute poses, cat selfies, and ring light reflections. She had a tablet, an Instagram page with her cat Kingston Meow Meow, and more filters than Granny had seasoning jars. One more post and Paso Talia in likes Meow Meow, turned sideways and showed the good whiskers. Her grandmother, Granny Z, would just shake her head. Zari, a phone can show your face, but it can't reflect your soul. When the school announced the Heritage Day talent show, everyone prepared proudly. Talia planned a Jonkony dance, Craig was reciting Miss Lou, and Granny Z even offered Zari her great-grandmother's traditional maroon skirt and head wrap. Granny Z said proudly, "This wrap been passed down from a long time. Your great granny wear it when she sing folk songs in St. Mary Market." But Zari had another plan. Zari smirking. "Me go remix a folk song into dancehall style and dress Meow Meow in a wambula chain. Me go call it Granny Glamour style. TikTok I go mash up." Zari posted a clip before the show, dancing in her granny's wrap, twerking to a sped-up folk beat and shouting #Bula style, likes flooding. But backstage, she overheard two teachers whispering. She turned heritage in a comedy. She don't even understand the power of that song. Zara blinked. Granny's voice echoed in her head. "Know where you're coming from before you run down where you're going." Zari reflected and slowly deleted the post. Her chest felt hollow, like saltfish were boiled without time. On show day, Zari walked out slow, this time barefoot in the original maroon skirt with Granny Z's wrap tied with care. She beat an old djembe drum and sang a full verse of the same folk song, proper, proud, and pure. "My granny plant callaloo in a basin, and say every root must know its place in." The hall went silent. Then a slow clap from the back. Then more. Then the whole room stood. Talia said softly, "Real over viral. Anytime, Zari." That night, Zari sat in the kitchen, eating warm bulla with cheese beside Granny Z. Likes nice in her granny, but respect sweeter. Me realize that now. Granny Z just smiled. Me know you would have find your real voice under all of them filters. And then, Zari did post again the next week, but this time, it was a slow clip of Granny telling stories while peeling green banana. No dance, no remix, just truth. #heritage. #truth. #family over everything.